Hello students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the generation of energy by using thermal power plants, in which we have discussed coal based thermal power plant, diesel power plant, gas based power plant. Okay, so in today's lecture we will discuss about the unit 2, that is large and micro hydro power plant. Hydroelectric power plant converts the water power into electricity. So basically the hydroelectric power plant harness the water power for generation of electricity. The India has a total hydel potential of nearly 84,044 megawatt. Now there are certain advantages of hydro power plant over the thermal power plant. The most important thing is that the thermal power plant causes the pollution, whereas the hydro power plant does not causes any major pollution such as air pollution, water pollution. Okay. Second thing is that the thermal power plant running cost is comparatively high. In case of hydropower plant, the running cost of power plant is negligible because there is no need to purchase any fuel. Water can be act as a fuel for conversion of electricity. In case of thermal power plant, we need to purchase the coal, transport the coal from one location to another location. So the running cost of thermal power plant will be high. Now basically in hydropower plant we are using a dam. We are going to construct the dam to store the water. Okay, then we will carry the water to certain depth and then we will use a turbine and then a generator. So the water energy is converted into electricity. So now we are discussing the energy conversion process of hydroelectric power plant. So in hydroelectric power plant, the potential energy of the water at height, that is the mgh, where m is mass, g is the gravity and h is the height, is converted into kinetic energy when the water will flow through the penstroke. Then that kinetic energy of the water will rotate the blades of the turbine and that will convert into the mechanical energy. The turbine is normally coupled to the generator, which will convert the mechanical energy of rotation into the electrical energy. So this is the basic energy conversion process at the hydroelectric power plant. Now we will discuss here, it is a dam in which we are going to store the water. This water has certain mass and it is placed at certain height from the your reference point or the ground point. So it has a mh, and as gravity is there, so it is mgh, that is the potential energy. As the quantity of the water in this go on increasing, its potential energy also increases. Okay, now this potential energy is achieved by the body because of its stationary state. In the potential energy is because of the stationary state. Now for generation of the electricity, I need to carry the water from certain height to the depth. So for that purpose I am going to use the penstroke. The penstroke is a pipe. Mostly for the hydroelectric power plant we are going to use the penstroke. The penstroke will carry the water from your dam to the energy conversion site or up to the turbine blades. So this penstroke is placed at an angle of 23 to 45 degree. Now this penstroke has certain walls also which will control the amount of water flow over here. When the water is passing through that, it has the kinetic energy, so that is half mv square. This kinetic energy causes the rotation of the turbine blades. So now this kinetic energy of water is converted into the rotational energy, that is the mechanical energy. Now this turbine is coupled to the alternator. So the alternator rotate and the alternator will convert the mechanical energy of rotation into electrical energy. That electrical energy is transferred through the transmission line to the consumers. And this is the draft tube. The water after doing its work is released to the river to the for irrigation purpose or for some other purpose. So basically this is the basic working of any hydropower plant.